guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kriti. I hope you all are doing good, taking care of yourself, taking care of your family and staying at home. We all know what is happening in this country, how we can make ourselves positive in this negative time, and what else we can do in this time, and what should we do in this time. So in this video I am going to tell you about that. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, if you cannot find any food item, so you don't have to be panicked first of all, and then grab out some pulses, flour and some stuffs like that, and must you have the packed food which you can store for more days, and that's all. You don't have to worry about that, and all will be well one day. Exercise daily so that your body will be healthy every time and you can see a good difference after doing your exercise. Exercise will increase our immunity. Do those things which you enjoy doing that. As an example, you can clean your house, cook for your family, cook for yourself, eat healthy food, and more and more. Spend your most of the time with your family members, those are living with you and those are not living with you. Only you just have to make a voice call or a video call with your family members or your friends. And meanwhile, of course, you don't have to leave your house. Wash your hands every 20 minutes for every 20 seconds. Dogs, those are starving outside our house, we should give them some food so that they can also be happy, they can also live their life. Play those games which you can play inside your house, read out some books and do those things which you were thinking from past time and you were not getting your time. This is the best time to do those things. Yes, how we can forget work from home, and if you are doing that, so please, I'm joining my hands. Don't forget your meal, stay hydrated, eat much as you can so that you can do your work easily. Hydrate yourself as much as you can. Drink a lot of more water, drink a lot of soup so that your body will be hydrated, and hydration is a key. As we all know, we don't have to leave our house, but in emergency you have to leave your house. Then please grab out some mask, have some sanitizer so that you can sanitize your hands every single time. And yes, if you don't find out any sanitizer, so please grab out some hand wash or paper soap. Wash your hands every single time. Instead of shaking hands, do namaste. That's our tradition. Do not get messed all the time on the internet. Keep that phone aside and talk with your family. Spend the most of the time with them. It is the best thing to do. There is no safe place like our home, as everybody can know in this time. Do what you like and enjoy doing it. But at the meanwhile, you don't have to leave your house. Be safe, stay hydrated, stay clean, be happy and stay positive. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this, so please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and be safe, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and that's all. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.